We will consider society, a global society, as a joint stock company. After 1945 majority, part of the shareholders, who were part of Traditionalists Club, were pushed back. They remained among majoritarians, however they became a second-line majoritarians. They have 25% plus one share. And as a result of Europe's defeat, as a result of separation of Europe between the US and USSR, liberals came to power in the global world and formed a first-line majoritarians. It is the liberals who represent 50% of stakeholders. This is liberals and this is traditionalists. Obviously, there are minority stakeholders below them. It is 25% minus one share. Who are these minority shareholders? It is a global Jewish political organizations. Also, it is a global criminal organizations. It is a financial speculators, and it is a global international bureaucracy, like EU, the UN, Soros Foundation and other kinds of such foundations. These are minor stakeholders. They have 25% minus one share. They are backdancers. So Jewish political organizations, they are intermediaries. Criminals represent cash. It is a list of 50 different criminal activities, from prostitution and drugs and arms trafficking, ending with illegal deforestation and illegal fishing in oceans, money laundering through real estate and construction. This all is in hands of criminals. Speculators are representing banks, derivatives, stock markets. And bureaucracy is bureaucracy, and endless fees and commissions that infiltrate the world. So these are minority shareholders. They are shaped to support different groups of majoritarians. For example, Jewish political organizations support liberals, speculators also support liberals. On the other hand, criminals and bureaucracy support traditionalists. Criminals are linked to Opus Dei. Criminals are linked to aristocratic funds, linked to transnational corporation in the board of directors of which the aristocracy sits. Criminals are linked with Sufi tariqats. Overall, criminals are associated with some sacral backgrounds. Bureaucracy is also a backdancers of traditionalists. And also there are proletarians. There are a part. You see, there are 25 minus 1, 25 plus 1 and 50%. Here is 100% of shares. But there are proletarians who have no shares. Who are these proletarians? Proletarians are national bureaucracies.
Бюрократии и суверенитеты. Значит, это nation, да? National bureaucracies. Вот. Это
Also, it is a different wreckage of ideological structures like ex-communist parties, leftists, rightists, new rightists and other different nonsense, so it is in ideologies which are meaningless in fact.
Левые, правые, новые правые, всякая фигня. То есть это идеологии, да? Идеологии. Вообще никто звать никак.
And it is the radicals, people who fight in Syria, Qaeda, Nusra, Hamas, all these who are against world order.
Аль-Каида, это Джабхат аль-Нусра, это Хамас, ну это все вот, так сказать, против мирового порядка.
Radicals who also have no shares and can't vote, so they have to cooperate with other parties.
Поэтому они вынуждены договариваться с кем-то, в интересах которого деятельность этих ребят.
So don't be surprised when you see them playing with Turkey or the US. They are proletarians, they have no shares. They have to accept someone else's game rules, including Syria and Libya. They are proletarians.
Они вынуждены принимать навязанные им правила чужой игры. В том числе в Сирии, в Ливии. Вот это пролетарии.